Great scholars, let us consider or continue our division of whole numbers to the second aspect of our division of whole numbers. In the previous class, we were able to treat the direct method. Today, let's use the long division method. But the same idea of always considering the first digits of the dividend is very important. Let's look at 15 divided by 3. Solution. 15 divided by 3. In this sign, this division, sign of long division, put the dividend inside and put the divisor outside of it. That's how it works. Then let's divide. Always consider the first digit of the dividend. 3 in 1. Can 3 go in 1? The answer is no. Then look at the two numbers now. Since there are still more numbers to deal with, look at the two numbers, 1 and 5, 15. How many 3 are in 15? Your answer is 5. Write your answer up here. Use the answer to multiply the divisor. 5 times 3 will give you 15. Write it directly under the number you considered, 15. And subtract them. You have 0, you have 0. So you're going to keep on dividing until you arrive at 0, or you arrive at a remainder that the divisor can no more go through. So your answer is 5. If you divide, your answer is 5. So our answer is 5. Let's take another example. 247. 247 divided by 2. 247 divided by 2. Solution. Using the long division method, put the dividend inside 247. Put the divisor outside. 247 divided by 2. The first digit 2. Can 2 go into? The answer is yes. How many 2 are in 2? 1. Put it up there. 1 times 2. 1 times the divisor. Your answer is 2. Write it directly under the number you considered. Here. Put your minus sign. Bring down your 7. Bring down your 4. 2 take away 2 is 0. So 0 will be here. And of course that 0 is not significant. So I will not write it. So what we have done is 47. 2 in 4. In 47 we have 2 digits. And the first digit is 4. 2 in 4 is possible. How many 2 are in 4? Your answer is 12. Your answer is 2. Write your 2 up here. 2 times 2. 2 times the divisor. Your answer is 4. Put it here. Directly under the 4. Put your minus. Bring down your 7. 4 take away 4 is 0. What we have now is 7. 2 in 7 is 3. 3 times 6. 3 times 2, your answer is 6. Write it directly under the 7. Directly under the 7. 7 was here. Put it directly under the 7 minus. 7 take away 6 is 1. Now, 2 in 1 is not possible. 2 cannot go anymore. So I will stop there. So my answer is 1, 2, 3. Remainder 1. Remainder 1. That is my answer. 1, 2, 3. Remainder 1. You're going to write your answer in that form. Or you put your answer in fractional form, which I've shown you in the previous class, as 1, 2, 3, whole number 1 over 2. This is the answer. Or you put your answer in decimal form if you like. Put your answer in decimal form, which is 1, 2, 3 whole number. 2 in 1 is not possible. 2 in 1 is not possible. Put a dot, your decimal point here, and add 0 to that one. 2 in 1 in 10 now will be 5. So your answer is 123.5. So you've been able to change this, to divide this number and your answer you got is 123 remainder 1. In fractional form, 123 whole number 1 over 2. In decimal form, 123.5. Whatever number is given to you to divide, you can choose to use the other method or use this method, but always try to check the digits of the dividend. Let's try this and see. Another example, 98 divided by 3. 98 divided by 3. Let's use the long division method. Put the 98 in the box and put the 3 out of the box. The first digit in 98 is 9. 3 in 9 is 3. Put your answer up. 3 times 3 is 9. Put it directly under the 9 you considered. Put your minus sign. Bring down your 8. This is 0. 9 take away 9 is 0. I will not write it because it's not significant. 3 in 8 is 2. 3 in 8 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Put your sign. Take away is 2. So what we have is our answer. 3 cannot go in 2. So my answer will stop there. So what we have is 32 remainder 2, which you can decide to write it in fractional form as 32 whole number remainder 2, which is 2 all over the divisor 3. This is your answer. That's your answer. And in decimal form, it will be 32. Let me stop there first. 3 in 2 is not possible. So add a point here and add 0 here. That becomes 20. 3 in 20 is 6. Remainder 2. Remainder 2. Add 0. 20. 6. Remainder 2. You keep on having 6 that we had in the other previous number in the previous class. You keep on having 6 in that manner. So now, if one asks you, is 98 divided by 3 a rational number? Your answer will be yes. Why? Because it has repeated decimals, 0.66. But the answer we actually got was 32 remainder 2, or 32 whole number 2 over 3, or 32.6. This is the answer that we got in the course of dividing these simple problems. Now you do this yourself. Use the two methods. Use the two methods to solve this yourself. Do the following. Do the following. 149 divided by 3. 2. 149 divided by 2. 3. 264 divided by 5. Use the two methods to deal with these problems. 49 divided by 3, 149 divided by 2, and 264 divided by 5. Carefully get your answers, and if you're using the second method, this method, and you have remainder left, then express your answers as fraction and as decimals. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.